Most video doorbells only work when everything goes perfectly. Wi-Fi is up, power is stable, and nothing interrupts the signal. But what happens when something goes wrong? Most video doorbells send notifications when someone presses the button or walks up to the door. They usually rely on Wi-Fi to send video clips and alerts. And many of them include AI to reduce false alarms, plus battery backup for power outages. But there's still one big weakness. If your Wi-Fi goes down, your doorbell basically becomes useless. What if there was a video doorbell that did all of that, plus a lot more that other doorbells simply cannot do? Let me introduce you to the Ajax Video Doorbell. This powerful doorbell comes packed with AI object recognition, so it can intelligently detect people and activity. It features a 4-megapixel HDR camera with a wide 155-degree field of view, so you see more of what's happening at your front door. It also includes advanced noise suppression and noise cancellation, giving you crystal clear two-way communication. And with IP54 weather protection, it's built to handle rain, dust, and the elements. But this is where the Ajax doorbell starts leaving the competition in the dust. It has an enhanced Wi-Fi range of up to 1,500 feet. That's 5 times farther than many traditional video doorbells. If someone tries to steal the doorbell, it triggers a tamper alarm. You also receive instant in-app notifications in just 1 second. And it can trigger a wireless indoor siren, or even a wireless outdoor siren to scare off intruders. Unlike many doorbells that lock your video behind expensive subscriptions, the Ajax Video Doorbell supports ONVIF, which means it can connect to most third-party NVR and DVR systems, so you can record your footage locally. That means no monthly fees just to watch your own recordings. But the most impressive feature of all is that this could be the world's first redundant video doorbell. It includes a fallback communication channel, so if your Wi-Fi goes down, you can still receive motion alerts and push notifications. That means your security doesn't disappear just because your internet does. And if you change internet providers or upgrade your router, reconnecting the doorbell is fast and simple. It even comes in 4 different colors to match your home. If you'd like more information about the Ajax Video Doorbell, contact Sector 1 Security. And remember, stay sharp.
The coast is clear.
The little ninjas look for easy targets. Sector 1 Security makes sure you're not one of them.
Sector 1 Security.